Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's do some questions today after completing this lesson on Indian American women in space. Tatu bacho az karo isim question yimik. Got new question you said just the first question which is given. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? The Kalpana Chawla kaitch zamas. The emis kya is wana Indian American. Mesh umeed ये लेसन आस्ते पूर पट समझमुत कि सुकच जामज कल्पना चावला तमस बर्थ प्लेस तस वन बर्थ प्लेस नेटिव प्लेस तो करनाल तथ जाए वन करनाल सह हरियाणा मज सो यू कैन राइट द आंसर कल्पना चावला वाज बॉर्न एट करनाल इन हरियाणा वाई शी इज कॉल्ड एन इंडियन अमेरिकन वुमन अमिस क्या वन इंडियन अमेरिकन शी इज कॉल्ड एन इंडियन अमेरिकन because she was born in India and later on she became the citizen of USA by marriage. Second question. When and why did she go to the US? Whom did she marry? तो सुकार गई US तो कैज गई किम खतर गई whom did she marry तिम का सैद कुर खानदर. After completing her graduation she went to the US for getting master's degree. Whom did she marry? Timka Said Kur Khandar. Yes, you can write. She married to a flight instructor, Jean Perry Harrison. Third question. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her idea that she could be an astronaut? Yes, you can write the answer. She became an astronaut after completing her degree in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, PhD in aerospace engineering from United States of America, and it was her success as a pilot gave her idea that she could be an astronaut. Fourth question. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? Dear students, इच्छमें तय वनमुत, इच्छमें सोरु तय समझोमुत. So you can write according to the journalist, one must have encyclopedic knowledge and enormous ability to become an astronaut. Fifth question. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle, the Columbia, was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. And she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. And during that period, they performed various experiments. Another question. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Kalpana Chawla kitput pursues a dream. Means her dream changed into reality. To what I said, agree kara, you still success, you go possible. Dear students, that you can write the answer. Kalpana Chawla says that every dream can be a success. The only thing one needs to pursue it is courage and vision. Yes, I quite agree with her that success is possible. Dear students, insan smaz himmat ash, courage ash, vision ash, the success possible. Part B. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. Date and place of liftoff. Ashlapun imuk date. The big place kim jai pet karya lift. Dear students, kim jai pet karya lift that case na. That is that jai was now Kennedy Space Center, Florida. The date kya was? Date was 16 January 2003 when it lifted off. Number of astronauts on board. At maz kۭtya astronauts khatsai yeli ye space shuttle hyor khatsao. Total number kya was tihund? 7. Number of days it stayed in space. 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists. Imo kۭtya experiment kırtay? 80. Date of return journey. Hum kar vasai is per वापस yel pat so accident sabdayan. So was 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact. Just height gas 200,000. 200,000 feet was height at them sath. 200,000 feet was its height when it lost contact. And now the language work. Match the following. Match means gish ralawness. Nimendu kish left side of death. Ish ralawness deshna side magar according to meaning. God parvatam yam left side death. Unprecedented space tragedy. Certified flight instructor. Space mission. Super specialization. Encyclopedic knowledge. Awe inspiring in this age. वो पर्व name side of right side of dear students. Something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Nowadays in these times, a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. A sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Tatio bachim they are allowing. Number 1 which was image meaning kya shivar timi hisab allow is. Isi unprecedented space tragedy issue. Image meaning kya shivar a sad accident of kind that has never happened before in space. Godnik is sure allow nice tatio bachoye. B1 bhai Baker repeat unprecedented space tragedy means a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Second one, certified flight instructor. Flight instructor is teach us, parnama us. Is hishnama us. There's a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Fly planes. Flight instructor. Third, space mission. Space mission means a set of jobs to be done in space by group. Super specialization. So, sport great expertise in limited field or particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge. Image meaning having knowledge of a wide variety of subject. Go yearly at this match. Awe inspiring. Something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. In this age. In this age means nowadays in these times. Thank you.